Akiaria ari mugunda-ini uria wari wa thibitari ya Highridge mwena wa Parklands, mwandiki murugamiriri wa kaunti ya Nairobi Thirikari niugite thirikari ya kaunti rungu rwa utongoria wa Governor Mike Sonko ni ihotorete hari guthingatithia kihoto na njira ya gutigirira migunda yothe iria igwatiirwo ni andu kiumbe ni yacokerio ene.
Every public property, whether in the nature of movable assets or an immovable assets such as land, like where we are, shall be repossessed and put to the use for which it was essentially intended for.
Ihinda-ini o riu MCA wa wadi ya Highridge ni anyitire mbaru miario ya Kariukia kiuga uthuthuria ni wambikitwo niguo kumenya nuu hahamite mugunda wa thukuru wa muthingi wa Highridge North niguo akorwo akioerwo ikinya ria kiwatho.
There are so many land has been grabbed within Westlands. And one of the case, the example I am giving you right now, there is a North Highridge Primary School. The lot of land has been grabbed of 6th Parklands North Highridge Primary School. We are checking with the authority, with the land department within the Nairobi County and the national government, also helping us to identify the public lands.
Maya marathie na mbere o riri thirikari nene iri na unyitaniri na ruhonge rwa kuramata maria maturigiceirie ni ruonema ruthiete na mbere na guthingiriria ati umumuri wa nyumba iria itakinyaniirie ikiro na iria ciakitwo hugururu-ini cia njui no uguthie na mbere. Hamwe na nyumba iria itanyitwo kumomorwo ni hamwe na nyumba ya Gate Mall iria yoikaine hau kabere ta Taj Mall, icunji kimwe gia thukuru wa Oshwal, nyumba cia toro cia airitu cia ni executive, odo mwe na icunji imwe cia nyumba ingi iria ire barabara-ini ya First Parklands. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangui wa Ndirangu.